Hey, my name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Carabello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky, and this video is brought to you by Roasty Coffee. Today, I'm going to talk about the difference between a cappuccino and a latte. So first, I'm going to start by just defining each of the drinks. In a cappuccino, what you're going to have is a traditional cappuccino means it's a 6 to an 8 ounce drink. In that, you're going to have espresso, roughly 2 ounces of espresso, and the rest will be steamed milk. But in a cappuccino, you're gonna have more foam. If you were to divide roughly that 6 ounce drink into thirds, it would be 1/3 is gonna be kind of more foamy steamed milk. The second third will be just mostly steamed milk, and then the last third will be your espresso. Then for a latte, what we're gonna have is traditionally, it's gonna be a 10 to a 12 ounce drink. Sometimes you'll find it as a 16 ounce. But a latte just means you're gonna have the most amount of milk. So it actually has the same amount of espresso as you do for a cappuccino. So it's gonna have roughly 2 ounces of espresso, and then the rest of that will be steamed milk with about half the amount of foam as you would have on a cappuccino on your latte on the top. So those are your differences. Basically, you want a little bit of a lighter, more espresso forward drink that has more foam, go with a cappuccino. If you want something that's bigger, maybe gonna last you a little bit longer, and it's not gonna be as foamy, go with a latte. There you are. Hope that helps you.